Okay, after some challenging, entertaining, and otherwise fits and starts, we did in fact get the mat border installed, drilling pretty much through the concrete pad. And uh-oh, lost focus, there we go. So now there's furring strip, dimension border around the mats, and some nice pre-painted, and lost focus again. Come on, there we go. Pre-painted MDF over against the wall on top of the mats. That was supposed to have been yesterday's project, but we finished it today. Things happen. Good times.